There's a lot of ugly in this world, but sure as hell is a lot of beauty. Just land and light. But to me, it's life. Can't explain it.
The whole world seems different somehow.
How so?